Right, I think I may have noticed why I'm having a problem with overheating. Stripped all the cooling systems all off. Couldn't really find anything wrong with it. So it's brought me down to this exhaust of where it could be faulty. Now this is what I'm getting to now. Now that line wasn't lined up with that. It was up here. This one was up here, and it should have been lined up with that. But if I twist it, it lets me move it about. See, it's down here now, look. Now I'm just twisting. Should that be able to move any way it wants? I figured it'd be under tension. I don't know, but look, it is just moving. Look. So I don't know. So what I'm getting at is, if the exhaust is not opening at the right, at the right setting, it's not being able to get rid of the exhaust gases quick enough, because obviously if it's not opening up fully, or it's set wrong, then that can explain why it's getting a lot hotter. Now, when I've got my cooling system back on, because obviously I had a bit of a fucking dilemma of where, as I was inspecting it and pulling this pipe off, I've only gone to snap that bastard. So there's all my cooling parts there. Water pump. Now there's another thing I need to ask. How smooth should this spin? It's a bit hard at the minute because I've got my fucking phone in my hand. Let me just try and put it down. There. I don't know if you can see that. Right. Now, when I first took it out, it was quite stiff. But it seems to be a bit better now. Now, that's that. So, let's pick that back up. What else do I need to right, so I've tested all the pipes. There's no leaks coming out of them. They're clean. I can blow through them all. There's no blockages. A little bit of white shit inside there, but I'll clean that out. I can't understand why I was having any problems, because I can't physically I can't see anything. You know, like when you know you've got a problem, you're expecting to find something, and then you can't, and then there's nothing that you've spotted, and then you start to doubt yourself and thinking, have I got a problem? It's one of them. So this radiator is going to have to get sorted out. I mean, I have ordered another one from China, so I'll be reviewing that when it gets here. So any of you lads that have obviously seen them on eBay for 70 quid, you'll be seeing one in the next video hopefully. But I'll compare it to this one Let's see what it's like. Thermostat. I did test that. So look, can we focus in? I don't know why we're getting a bit of flicker there. Maybe it's these little these T5s I've got on here. Don't want to focus in. Don't like it. But yeah, I tested that. It started open at 85 degrees. And it did shut when I let it all cool down. So maybe it's working. Maybe it's a little bit sticky, but I don't know. I'm going to get this cap tested out as well. I don't know why I'm getting that fucking flicker. It must be them lights though. Right, so like I say, engine oil has got no coolant inside, so there's no leaks going into there. So yeah, I don't know about this exhaust. This could possibly be the cause of the overheating. It's just not being able to get rid of it quick enough. Possibly, it's another, if it's not the cooling system as such, and I'm creating heat, maybe it's the exhaust. Maybe it is the exhaust. So, should this be able to move like it should? I don't know. So, I'll stick this up. I'll let you all have a look at it and see what you think. Because at this moment of time, I feel like I'm going a bit mad. So yeah, I can't physically see fuck all on here. So yeah, I shall clean that up. Nothing's broken. So yeah. Okay.